The air conditioner and heater unit is the nest, which is located left of the entryway in the hallway. And you just turn the dial to whatever setting you need. So mode, and then you press to change. Now you can adjust heat, cool, off, cool, or heat. You want cool, press. Now you can adjust, we can change the temperature to adjust whatever you would like. You want 77, press. That is mode. If you scroll over, turn the dial to fan, press. You can turn on the fan, off the fan at whatever time you'd like. Press. Let's set the temperature. And I am just turning the dial like this to whichever direction you would like the temperature set. Press.